It could only be the one and only Yellowman.
Yellowman, lifestyle, personal life, and net worth. Yellowman, born Winston Foster, is a legendary Jamaican dancehall DJ known for his electrifying performances, witty lyrics, and undeniable influence on reggae and dancehall music. Rising to fame in the early 1980s, he became one of Jamaica's most celebrated artists, overcoming personal struggles and health battles along the way. If you're a fan of reggae and dancehall music, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on your favorite artists. Lifestyle. Despite facing discrimination due to his albinism, Yellowman turned his uniqueness into his strength, becoming a pioneer in dancehall music. He was known for his flashy stage presence, engaging charisma, and bold fashion choices, often wearing brightly colored outfits and hats. At the peak of his career, Yellowman's lifestyle was fast-paced, filled with international tours, performances, and collaborations. His lyrics were often playful, humorous, and at times controversial, pushing the boundaries of dancehall music. Unlike many artists, he maintained a strong connection to his roots, often returning to Jamaica to perform and engage with his people. Yellowman is also a strong advocate for healthy living. After battling cancer in the 1980s, he changed his lifestyle, adopting healthier eating habits and regular exercise. He is known to maintain an active routine, ensuring he stays fit even in his later years. Though the dancehall world is often linked to controversy, Yellowman has kept a relatively private and peaceful life outside of music. He has managed to maintain a successful career without indulging in excessive scandals, instead focusing on his legacy and contributions to reggae music. Personal life. Yellowman was born on January 15, 1956, in Kingston, Jamaica, and grew up in the Maxfield Children's Home and Alpha Boys School. His childhood was tough, as people with albinism in Jamaica often face discrimination and rejection. However, he refused to let societal norms define him, using his talent to carve a place for himself in the music industry. His breakthrough came in the late 1970s and early 1980s after winning the Tasty Talent Contest, leading to a successful career under producers like Henry Junjo Laws. He quickly became the king of slackness-style dancehall, delivering hits like Zunga Zunga Using and Nobody Move Nobody Get Hurt. In his personal life, Yellowman is a dedicated family man. He is married to Rosie Foster, and the couple has children, including Creema, who has followed in his musical footsteps. Despite his celebrity status, he has always prioritized family values and his Jamaican roots. Net worth. Yellowman's estimated net worth in 2024 is around $3 million to $5 million. His wealth comes from decades of album sales, live performances, international tours, and music royalties. Over the years, his music has been sampled by many artists, further adding to his income. Even today, Yellowman continues to tour worldwide, proving that his music remains timeless. His resilience and influence on reggae and dancehall make him a true icon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on legendary artists.